From 14 pit maneuver attempts to stop a drunk driver to state troopers witnessing a shooting during a traffic stop and a pantless drunk woman leading the police on a chaotic chase through a neighborhood. Here are some of the most unbelievable police dash cam moments ever caught on camera. A cargo truck, after fleeing a checkpoint, became the subject of a police pursuit. Although the speed of the chase wasn't high, intervening with such a large truck required the police officer to make precise judgments. After intervening at the rear left section, the truck spun but returned to the highway and continued fleeing. The police intervened 2 more times in the same location, but the driver remained audacious. After pursuing for about 10 miles, the police decided to execute the next intervention. This time, the officer adjusted the force and applied perfect technique. The truck spun in a circle and veered off the road. However, the driver's audacity might render us powerless, but the police couldn't overlook it. Not allowing the suspect to escape, another pit maneuver was executed. The suspect could no longer flee. The truck crossed a small ditch and came to a halt after colliding with a tree. The driver, reeking of alcohol, was promptly arrested.
Put your hands behind your back. Go, go. I do, bro?
The police, engaged in routine road duties and regular vehicle inspections, unexpectedly received a report of another fleeing driver with a firearm on board. Realizing the suspect's proximity, they swiftly joined this pursuit.
Turning in a liquor store off of Illinois. We're gonna be going Illinois, please. Edward Frank Yellow 7524.
The pursuit reached speeds of up to 80 miles per hour, with the police maintaining close pursuit.
We gotta clear some slow break. Yeah.
The suspect drove south towards Chicago, entering densely populated residential areas, making it challenging for law enforcement to approach.
Southbound right on West Coast Street. Speeds are about 45, residential. Nobody's home. Clear on my side. An area of West Chicago and Oakland.
A notification signaled the execution of a pit intervention. A fellow officer advanced from behind, swiftly implementing the maneuver.
I'm going for it. Stop.
We got units right now at Grand River.
Stop.
Grand River.
Although the driver attempted to flee, they were apprehended shortly after.
Put your hands behind your back. Go.
What I do, bro?
Stay here. You're good. Go ahead. You're good. Go.
What the fuck did I do?
Put your hands behind your back. Get out of your... Nothing was just... You got one. Yep. Just two.
A search of the vehicle uncovered a firearm. The suspect was promptly taken to the police station to face charges for their violations.
Stop it, Warren.
The incident occurred on the evening of January 15, 2023, when the Arkansas State Police Patrol received a report about a reckless driver on the road. The driver appeared to be impaired, and upon encountering the police, the daring vehicle attempted to flee. However, the vehicle swerved dangerously, making it difficult to determine its direction.
South on Warren. Stop at Warren. Come here. The hell is wrong? Give me your hand. What's in the rock country? Get up. Get up. What the hell is wrong with you?
Your DWI too.
Please don't do that. I fuck you. I'm not.
Stop talking.
I don't have no STDs.
Stop talking.
I swear.
Stop talking.
Despite her alluring appearance, she insisted she hadn't violated any laws while the police detected a strong smell of alcohol on her. I commend their work ethic and seriousness in handling the situation. The incident occurred on December 19, 2023, when a stolen car had been reported just moments earlier. After confirming the vehicle's color and license plate, the police observed the car moving at high speed on the highway. Determined not to let the suspect escape, the police activated the sirens and repeatedly demanded the vehicle to stop, but the perpetrator continued to flee recklessly. Realizing that there was no way to make the suspect stop, the patrol team decided to execute a pit maneuver as soon as there was an opportunity to approach.
We got a deeper power. We're pulling out now.
In the end, the gift she received was days spent in jail.
Do you have anything in your pockets, any weapons, any narcotics, anything in your pockets at all?
I think it's on this part right here.
Oh, this one right here? Yeah. Okay. I don't know yet, but that's all.
On March 31, 2023, Highway Patrol officers engaged in a daring pursuit after receiving a report about a stolen vehicle traveling from Charlotte County to Lee County, Florida. At mile marker 143 Bayshore Drive in Lee County, the police attempted to stop the driver, identified as 22-year-old Miguel Andrade from Port Charlotte. However, Andrade refused to stop and continued driving south, initiating a high-speed chase. During the pursuit, several patrol cars joined in. The suspect, fleeing on the highway, lost control and collided on the road. Fortunately, no injuries were reported in this incident. Andrade was arrested and taken to the Lee County Jail, where he faces multiple charges, including auto theft, eluding, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, resisting without violence, reckless driving, and driving without a valid license. Through this video, we hope you will feel the dangers that police forces face daily and simultaneously recognize the value of their work in protecting the community. Thank you for always accompanying us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to continue enjoying the upcoming videos. Wish you a wonderful day. Goodbye and see you again.